Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to replace the Sony LA-EA4 adapter mirror for autofocus. I didn't find any videos or guides how to do it, so I decided I could do it myself. I did a couple mistakes doing this first time, and one is I didn't mark the plate and adapter, which you should do. So do a simple marking right here between the metal plate and adapter so you know where to put the plate back in the end. I figured it out myself, but anyway. The center screw holding the electronic plate, you can remove it last, but it doesn't matter right now. So you just start with undoing the screws on the back of the adapter. There's like 4 of them. And there you go. Then you just wiggle off the plastic plate with the electronic contacts, and it comes out the whole mirror assembly. It's like a one piece. Comes out easily. And the mirror goes only one way out. You could use some gloves if you prefer. I just did it like this. Remember, on the mirror, on the edges, they're just on one side of the mirror. Remember which way they are, up or down, against the whole assembly. And put the new mirror the same way in. I'm not sure if that matters, but probably it does, as it's out of focus. Put it back in. There's gonna be like piece of metal on the side that you just push in. It's like a tension spring or something. Get the mirror to the end and you're ready to put it back. There are one side of the assembly has some grooves, and the plate with electronic contacts on the adapter goes right above those grooves, so you'll figure out which way to put it. And that's it. Now you can assemble everything back. First fix the plate in place, and then comes the part that you really want to do. You want to mark where the plate was so you can put it back. It took me a while to figure it out, and then just assemble everything back, and there you go. The adapter is complete. Using it on A7 II for a quick test. I'm using my Minolta 300 just to show that the focus works, and after this, of course, I tested outside. It's sharp and focus, everything is great, so there it is. Hit thumbs up if you find this video useful. Bye.